Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your ZTE Blade A53 Plus. So first, you can use the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. When you click on the volume up or volume down, you can just take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, as you can see, we can take the series of the photos, and in each series we can take 30 photos. Next, when you click on the screen, you will be able to adjust the brightness level. Of course, you can do this manually by moving this sun icon when it pops, but also automatically by tapping on the screen. Next, when you open the settings, you can find other useful options. For example, you can enable shutter countdown between 3 or 10 seconds. Right now, when you click on the shutter, you will find this delay, and after that time the photo will be taken. And next, you can also use the touch photography. So it works like that. You can just click on the screen, and after a few seconds the photo will be taken. And the last option that you can use, it's definitely these filters. As you can see, they add some filters, some effects to our preview, and it will also appear on this photo when you take it. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.